Ministry. Antioch bought this place 5 years ago. Actually, Christians for Messiah Ministries. And Antioch is the primary venue contact here. There you see the north 40 acres, that's what I call it. It may be the south 40. I get my directions mixed up around here. I have to watch for the airplane flights, which head north into the Charlotte airport, and I can determine where I'm at. But anyway, we should stand right in line at the entrance right there and go into the studio. Back in the barn area, I'll turn around and go that way again. They would have the Friday night campfire meetings, seat 1,500 plus people there, and they would have all kinds of gospel singers, quartets, groups. Very good time. After Jim and Tammy left All Nations Church, which I was a part of in the early 1900s, we had conferences here along with Morning Star, which is also on the property now. Rick Joyner. They owned the former Grand Hotel and the towers, which they're still trying to battle in the courts to get permission to finish. And here's the barn. At one time, that middle section of the roof totally caved in, as Rick Joyner had prophesied in 1988. The place would be dead, but it would be resurrected. And I'm a living testimony of that truth, for I am now here on staff. I give thanks to the Lord for all He has done. It's a beautiful day here, April 4th, 2019. Thank you, Lord. So that should do it for now. Just a short walk. Get my finger out of the way. Bye.